Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will see how we can create a triangle bar graph in Power BI. So this is actually a custom visual. And to get the custom visual, first we will go here and get more visuals. We'll select this. And here we will search for triangle. So here it is. It is by, this is how a triangle bar graph will look like. I will just click on add. So this is actually a very simple visual. I will select this and let's bring it in the middle. And in the category data, I have this project data with me, so I will put status here. And in the measure, let's bring project ID, and here I will say count distinct, and it will be, let's change it to projects. We'll expand this. So now you can see that this is here. I can hover over it and it will show me 6 are done, 5 are on track, 4 in progress, 2 on hold, and 1 delayed. Let's see how we can further format it. So here in the formatting, we only have two options: tick settings. So you can change the font or the size. I will leave it as it is. In the color setting, we can change the colors. So for example, for done, let's add a green. Wait, a different kind of green. Let's make it dark. On track, we can have yellow. In progress, we can have a different shade of yellow. On hold can be pink, and delayed can go as red. Now this is how you can modify it. We don't have many options here. In general, you can add the title if you want, projects by status. You can change anything you want. Let's just bring it in the middle and we can have a background color. In the properties, if you want to change, we will keep it as it is. Effects, if you want, we can have a background. If you want, maybe you can remove it. We don't need background. We can add a visual border. If you want to add a shadow to it, if you want to add any data format, we don't need anything, so we will leave it. Header icons. So this is how you can create a triangle bar graph, a bar chart. I hope this video helped. Do keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.